Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will read the next chapter, that is the tsunami. Everyone must be aware what is a tsunami. Everyone knows it. Tsunami is a type of series of waves that occurs by the displacement of water in the ocean or in the lake or in the sea that causes destruction. You must have heard in the news there are so many countries, even in our country there are so many places or so many states where every year they get affected by the tsunami. So in this chapter we will read about different incidents that happened or that occurred in Andaman and Nicobar Island. So let me introduce with the different characters that we will read about in this story. Actually, these are not characters, these are the incident or these are the story we will read in this chapter. First story we are going to read about Ignatius, second is about Sanjeev, third is about Meghna, fourth is about Almas, fifth is about Tilly, and sixth story we will read about if any unfortunate thing is going to happen, how the animal senses it before the human senses. So let's start this story. In this chapter, we will read about some important and inspiring incidents that occurred when tsunami hit some parts of India. The stories are from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. First story is about Ignatius, right? So his wife woke up him at 6 a.m. sensing an earthquake. Ignatius put the television on and on the ground to save it from the quake, right? As soon as his wife woke him, what the first thing he did? He took off the television to the ground so that it won't get break during the earthquake. Then all the members of the family rushed out. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. This caused them confusion. अब क्या हुआ? जैसे ही earthquake रुका, what they saw? Suddenly they saw the sea level was rising. They ran, but in opposite directions. His wife was swept away. Her two children, along with her father and brother, were also lost. Right? Within a moment, everything vanished. Right? Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and brother-in-law in the tsunami. You can imagine कितनी जल्दी हुआ है ना? They didn't thought of doing anything. They didn't get any chance to think, and within a single moment, everything just vanished. So that was the first story of unfortunate Ignatius. Now we will read the second story of a policeman whose name is Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a policeman. He managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter. Then he heard the cries for help. Right? In the same tsunami, Sanjeev saved his family. And then he heard cries for help from his friend. These were from the John's wife. John was the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to save her. They both were swept away and drowned. So what happened in this second story? Sanjeev was a brave policeman, but unfortunately, to save his John's wife, he jumped into the water, but in the tsunami he was swept away with John's wife. That was the second story. Now we will read the third story about Meghna. Meghna was 13 years old. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held onto a wooden door and kept floating on it for 2 days. She was brought to the shore by a wave and saved. You can see मेघना जो थी उन्होंने क्या करा? She, what floats in the water, right? So she hold the door and this way she was saved by the tsunami, but her family was swept away in the wave. Now we will read about the fourth story, that is Tragedy of Elmas. Elmas was 10 years old. The family was sleeping, but her father had woken up. His father had woken up. He saw that the water receding after the tremors. He knew it would come back with the great force. He woke everyone trying to rush to a safer place. As they ran, his father fell down, right? And Almas rushed to rescue his father, but unfortunately both of them were swept away by the tsunami. As they were swept away, after them his mother and his aunt were also swept away by the tsunami. You can see जितने भी इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं, these are so painful. Hearing that tsunami causes a lots of destruction, right? Tsunami एक natural calamity है, लेकिन इसका नुकसान किसे भुगतना पड़ रहा है? We the humans or to the people who are living in the coastal areas. I'm so sorry, Elmas is a girl. So as I told you, Elmas was swept away with her father. But what happened? Fortunately, she got a log of wood, and Elmas saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. She woke up in a hospital in Kamrota, but she is still traumatized. Means she is in a shock state. Now, these all were the stories from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, we will read the next story, that is from the Thailand. So, in this story, we will read about Tilly, and this story is from Thailand. Thailand is also the affected country by the tsunami. So, Tilly's family had came to Thailand from England to celebrate Christmas. It was December 26. She was standing with her family on the beach. Tilly and her mother, Penny Smith, both saw the water swelling. The beach was getting smaller and smaller every moment. They saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam. Tilly saw the sea making whirlpools. That means these all are the signs of tsunami. क्या साइन थे? The water was swelling. जो बीच था वो छोटा होते जा रहा था हर एक मोमेंट में, और जो sea था that was slowly rising and starting to foam, right? And sea was making whirlpools. These all were the signs of tsunami. But Tilly's mother was not aware, so she was not alarmed by these signs. But Tilly remembered the video that her geography teacher had shown in the class 2 weeks before. देखो, she was very attentive, right, in the class, and she remembered the story or the video that her geography teacher has shown to her. She screamed and asked her family to go off the beach. The mother did not sense anything terrible. She, however, felt that her daughter must be right. So Tilly's parents took her and her sister to the swimming pool at the hotel. Many others also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come after them. क्या हुआ? अचानक से पूरा का पूरा सी ऐसा लग रहा था उनके पीछे आ गया. मतलब टिली की इंटेलिजेंस से हर फैमिली वॉज सेव्ड. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the force of the tsunami. If they had stayed on the beach, then they would have been dead, right? Because Tilly was intelligent, she was smart, right? And instantly she told everyone to leave the beach. This way she saved her life, her family's life, and the life of the people who were present on the beach. So this was the story of intelligent Tilly. Now we will read in this story how the animal senses the bad things before we human beings sense. You know, some people believe that animal possess a sixth sense. We humans have 5 senses, but animals have 6 senses. So, tsunami, you know, in the incident where tsunami occurred, tsunami killed 150,000 people, but for a surprise, in Sri Lanka, it killed this much people, but only few animals were died. In Gyala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were washed away, but only 2 animals died. How does it happen? Because of the sixth sense of animals. उनको पहले ही पता चल गया था something bad is going to happen, right? And they went away from that place. And in the same park, people had observed 3 elephants run away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. Means these shows that animals has already sensed that something bad is going to happen. A man on the coast near Gale in Sri Lanka had 2 dogs. Right? This is a story. A man has 2 dogs, and on that fatal day of tsunami, they refused to go to the beach with their master. उस दिन क्या होता है? Those dogs refused that they don't want to go to the beach with their master. So the master too stayed back. He also doesn't go to the beach. Thus the dog had saved his life also. In this way the animal saved his master's life. So these all were the incidents that we read about the tsunami. Hope you have understood this chapter. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Right? Thank you.